Great. So I'm going to go right here and add a product, and I'm going to work with the printed shirt first. So I am uploading a couple of images of the product. And even though it's a printed shirt, it doesn't have a lot of texture. I don't recommend using Caimera's fluid for embroidery or textures or jewelry. It works best for cotton, crepe, even knits, which are fine knits. For all of these, you should wait for Click to launch in a matter of days. So I'm going to call it a shirt. And choosing your product category is very important because it takes the model out of the garment to be able to accurately reproduce it. And if you write something else here, say outfit, then it will actually keep the entire outfit as opposed to just the shirt. Let's call it a test shirt or a live shirt. And I'm going to choose Caimera as the brand here. What I've done is in the Caimera brand name, I've entered the Pinterest link to my mood board. And what I've done is I've created a mood board with all of the images that I like, which have similar styling. And I've entered that over here for Caimera to be able to visit the page and understand both text and images and produce the brand values and aesthetic accordingly. So I'm going to close it. I'm just going to select the brand and I'm going to add a product. So I'm going to use up 50 credits to add my product, but then I have complete freedom to generate as many unlimited amount of images as I can. The intention behind that is that as a brand or a creative, you want to be able to achieve your goals, however long that takes. You're not going to use an image that's half-baked.